to read this today. Accepting yourself as the beautiful, radiant, and courageous person that you are. Forgiveness for your past actions has a way of engaging you in that healing power that can move you forward in your life. As you sit here this morning, I'd like to invite you to envision a younger self, a younger you. Can you imagine if your younger self were able to see how their actions would affect you in your current life today? Would your younger self have done anything differently? Would you have changed your behavior, knowing the future consequences of such actions? Maybe yes, maybe no. It's hard to know. You could not have made a better decision. I honestly believe that you were doing the best you could at the time. Many times, they may have been less than loving decisions you were making, but I still believe you were doing the best you could. Again, I circle back to forgiveness. Being aware of what you were doing and that you were doing the best you could offers you a way to view yourself with a measure of compassion. Compassion really is the antidote for all of this. It is a loving act to see your past actions as your attempts to do the right thing. You don't have to agree, like, or approve with any of them, but you can acknowledge that you are trying. And even if you are not conscious of trying to do the right thing, there was a good reason for that too. We are all a mix of emotions. There is no perfect solution to any of this healing work. It just takes time. You chose this path of forgiveness because you really do want to love yourself more. This is how any of us move forward. We look at the past and say, we did the best we could. And then we try to be a little more loving towards ourselves and others today. In the spiritual realm, life is perfect, and so are we. Love for ourselves will heal us if we allow it to. Thank you, and God bless.